Mastering ESB API Manager requires understanding best practices and implementing effective strategies. Here are some key considerations. 1. Define a clear API governance framework. Establish a governance framework to ensure consistency, security, and compliance across your APIs. Define standards for API design, documentation, security policies, versioning, and lifecycle management. This framework will provide guidelines for API developers and consumers, promoting consistency and ease of use. 2. Plan for scalability and performance. Consider the expected usage patterns and scale of your APIs. Design your architecture with scalability in mind, using techniques like load balancing, caching, and horizontal scaling. Monitor API performance and usage regularly to identify bottlenecks and optimize for efficiency. Additionally, implement rate limiting and throttling mechanisms to control traffic and ensure fair usage. 3. Secure APIs effectively. Implement robust security measures to protect your APIs and sensitive data. Utilize authentication mechanisms such as API keys, OAuth, or JWT to ensure authorized access. Implement encryption for data transmission and storage. Apply security policies like rate limiting, IP whitelisting, and request validation to protect against malicious activities. Regularly update and patch your ESB API Manager to address security vulnerabilities. 4. Design APIs for reusability and flexibility. Aim for API designs that are reusable and adaptable to changing requirements. Follow RESTful principles and use resource-oriented URLs. Design clear and consistent request and response structures. Consider using hypermedia formats like HDOAs to enable discoverability and self-descriptive APIs. Use a layered approach for API architecture to enable modularization and ease of maintenance. 5. Implement comprehensive monitoring and analytics. Set up monitoring and analytics capabilities to gain insights into API usage, performance, and user behavior. Monitor key metrics like response time, error rates, and usage patterns. Leverage analytics tools to analyze data and identify trends, allowing you to make informed decisions about optimizations, feature enhancements, and capacity planning. 6. Provide developer-friendly tools and documentation. Create a developer portal that offers comprehensive documentation, code samples, and interactive tools. Provide clear and concise API documentation, including usage examples and troubleshooting guides. Offer sandbox environments for developers to test and experiment with APIs. Additionally, consider providing SDKs and client libraries for popular programming languages to simplify API integration. 7. Foster collaboration and community. Encourage collaboration and engagement with the developer community. Provide forums or discussion boards for developers to ask questions and share insights. Organize hackathons or developer meetups to foster innovation and gather feedback. Actively engage with developers, address their concerns, and incorporate their feedback into the evolution of your APIs. 8. Continuously improve and evolve. Digital landscapes are constantly evolving, and so should your API strategy. Regularly review and refine your API design, security, and governance practices. Stay updated with emerging technologies and industry standards. Actively seek feedback from API consumers and iterate on your APIs based on their needs and evolving business requirements. By following these best practices and implementing effective strategies, you can master ESB API Manager and leverage its capabilities to drive successful digital transformation initiatives within your